Hello, you're welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about how to install Laravel PHP Framework in Wampsaver. Before that can be achieved, you need to get Wampsaver running into your system. In case if you don't have any, you can head at wampsaver.com straight and get one installed into your system. On a successful installation, or if you have it already, you can just ignore this step and head straight to getcomposer.org. You are going to download Composer. As you can see, it's a dependency manager for PHP. Click on download button and you will click on Composer setup.exe. Upon clicking on it, it will display this dialog box for you to download. In my own case, I've already downloaded it and I'm not going to repeat it again, but please, you're going to download it and install it first before moving next to the other step. The next step here is the Git. You are going to download Git and install it on your system. As you can see, it's available in all operating systems: Mac operating system, Windows, Linux operating system. You click on this button to get it installed into your system. Upon successful installation, and please take note of this Git, we are going to come on this step as we move further, but for now we are going to hold on downloading it and installing it first. Then the next step you are going to do is to download the node.js. Also, node.js is available in all operating systems, and you will choose your operating system bit, whether it is 32 or 64-bit. Upon successful installation, you are now finally going to download Windows Visual Studio Code. In my own case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows on here, the one that is available for Windows. Upon successful downloading it, you are going to run it on your system, and that's all you need to do in order for you to get your things running. Then you are now going to open your Visual Studio Code, and as I told you earlier about the Git, once you install Git, you are going to locate the directory. In my own case, this is your C drive. You open your C drive, you come to program files, and you should be able to see Git. Upon seeing Git, you are going to see Git bash, which is this is an important file for you to use. What you are going to do with it is you are going to come to your file menu, locate preferences, and click on settings. On clicking on settings, you should open application, and as you can see, there is settings.json here. So click on settings.json, then you will see this. In your own case, if you install new, it will not show anything here. This terminal.integrated.shell.windows, it won't show anything. So you are now, what you are going to do is copy this command line here, locate where your git bash file is, and that's the reason why I told you to locate this file. And as you can see, you will see program files, git, then git bash. So you are going to add another slash here and copy it to this command line. As you can see, program files, git bash. So once you do this, you are going to save the file and close the window. In my own case, I've already saved it, so I'm not saving it again. And you should be able to now close your Visual Studio Code and run it again because of the changes that you have made on the git bash. As you can see, our terminal is starting. If you did not see git bash, or if you didn't see any terminal, just click on terminal and click new terminal. Once you have clicked on it, you should be able to run your git bash by default. So now it's time for you to start your own new project. So you click we are in the git bash commands. So you are going to issue some commands here in order for you to start your own new project using the WAMP. Remember, you have your directory here which your WAMP project always run on. So on your terminal, you are going to run some commands. It will list all the commands on your system. It will list the directories. Then you should be able to display all your directories. In all of these processes, I believe they are very straightforward, and if you encounter any challenge, just comment on the comment section and I should be able to assist you in one way or the other. Then return to your parent directory, which is pwd. Upon running that, you should locate Now you have changed the directory to WAMP64. Let's close the Git because we are done with that. This is the WAMP64 that we are on it here. So now Let's check the available folders on that WAMP64. As you can see, this is the available folders that we have there, including the WAMP, the www folder. Then you are going to navigate to the www.folder. Now we are on the folder and we are ready to create a new project. So you are going to tell the composer to create a new project for you. You are simply going to run this command on this terminal, the git bash terminal. So the next thing is your project name. For instance, my new Laravel project. And you are going to run this statement. It usually takes time for you to create your project. So you are going to hold on, let Laravel composer create your own project. As you can see, the statement is executing. And this is all you need to do. Now, this my new Laravel project was not in this www directory or folder, but now if you go, you should be able to see it. Yes, see it here, and your available files are here. Although it's still running, it's still executing, so you can't do anything now. So in our next video, we are going to start a project and see how this new project will be running. Thank you for listening.